Haiti, vivant. Vivant, Haiti. Haiti, vivant. Nous sommes la famille. Nous sommes avec vous faites des prières de la réputation. Merci. Pourquoi vous avez fait pour nous. Que Dieu vous bénisse. Vivant Haiti. Vivant sous. On a children were there yonder. This year, the Queen Quet. Chieftess or the Gullah Geechee Nation. The nation, the Haiti, a part of we family. We thank God for we Haiti. Thank God say Haiti still alive. We pray say Hana go and live on and on and on Haiti. Hana to do plenty things for we what a day ya on the Gullah Geechee Nation. Hana nation be first, we there behind Hana. We the there now for stand for we liberty. So we the pray for Hana. Want Hana for pray for we. So Haiti, Hana the North say, Hana family were there ya in the Gullah Geechee Nation. The day where Hana children were there too. And so everyone around the world, as Queen Quet, Chieftess, and head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation, my heart goes out to everyone in Haiti. My heart goes out right now even to you. I ask that you help the Gullah Geechee Nation in supporting Operation Green Leaves. Operation Green Leaves has been working in Haiti before the earthquake. They've been working there through the floods, through the mudslides, through the hurricanes, to reforest Haiti, because many of the storms that come are even further causing damage because of the sliding of the land when the water falls, because so many of the trees have been clear cut. So now Operation Green Leaves has turned their focus to the mission now to rescue and save the people and to rebuild the island of Haiti. This is part of our family because the Gullah Geechee Nation is directly connected to the story of Haiti, and Haiti came to help us in the past, and we're here now to help them into the future. So again, live on Haiti, live on. May God bless you. Support Operation Green Leaves at www.oglhaiti.com, www.oglhaiti.com, or come to the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition at GULLGEECO@AOL.com for more information. Because we know Hunter must take care of the root but heal the tree. So these are the tools we need right now. Vivant Haiti, vivant sous.